million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just
hey boo, hey. Ooh. I'm back with some synthetic drip, and it's not on this beautiful wig that's on my head, but it's going to be made by, it is made by the same company, and that is Janet Collection. Y'all know right now we are in the heart of a blonde and red wig series. So far we've reviewed Janet Collection wig in Honey Blonde, which was absolutely gorgeous on Java. This is called Butler Scotch, which is absolutely cute. And now we got a different blonde blend by Janet Collection in the wig Hedy. That's Hedy, and it's the color that I was most excited about, and that's Sandy Blonde. Just like the others, she is part of the Essentials collection by Janet Collection with a lace part, HD lace, all that jazz. Okay? Y'all look. Janet Collection has really shocked me. Okay, so she came with lace I've cut off. That's all I've done at this, because y'all know I like to do everything with y'all. Y'all look at Hedy. Look at that perfect sandy blonde. I really feel like Hedy is Abigail. That's the wig that's on my head. This one is just bone straight. Her construction is just like the other. She has a comb in the back and adjustable straps. And in the front, you have ear-to-ear lace, that lace part, and a comb to the right and a comb to the left with baby hairs. I haven't been doing baby hairs because one, I barely can, and two, I don't wear them in real life. Janet Collection did the darn thing with this color. They took that dark root down the wig. Y'all, that's pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. As I'm running my fingers through it, I'm not getting no shedding and tangling, which if I did, y'all know I would tell y'all that. But I'm still not with Abigail, and she's super long. Okay, let's take Abigail off. Let's put on Hedy. Let me do that color up close so you can see. All right, this one is just warmer. Let's put on Hedy and play around with her. And like I always say, I'm gonna do that all. And then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. I'm back with my final thoughts on Hedy and the texture on this. Just like my texturized skin, I need a better primer. The texture on this, the coloring on this, the ease of this, the extraness of this makes Hedy a must-have. I'm still not getting any tangling. And I'm actually very surprised. Look. Because this is a blonde, long, straight unit. So it's supposed to tangle, right? But it's not. Even straight out of the pack, a lot of synthetic blondes like this, they tangle. But I love this unit. I will say that if you're in the market for some straight hair, I would look at Hedy by Janet Collection, because the texture is that nice texture where it's not too yucky, but not too silky, right? You see that? 1000% recommend this one. This little blonde red series has been so much fun. Don't forget in the comments to let me know if there's another series that you want to see. And the reason why I say that is I know factually I'm going to Janet Collection to look around at some other units that they might have that we might not reach for a lot, but we should, because Hedy, Java, what was the other one we just did? Hedy, Java, Abigail definitely are winners. If you look in that description box, I put a direct link to where you can go get Hedy from a few of the websites that we rock with. Still getting my fingers all the way through it. Until next time, which will be very soon because we on our last one, Molly. Okay, and that's a warm blonde for those of you that like warm blondes. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, y'all.